Hare Krishna. God has created problems and solutions. But we humans only find the problems easily, but never give a try to find the solutions. What can we do now? Let's think. Got idea. Join 18 days Bhagavad Gita classes that's very easy to understand and tutored by our experienced faculty in your preferred languages and timings that's chosen only by you. We have successfully completed 24 batches and we are extremely happy to let you know that this is a Silver Jubilee batch. We have separate batches for adults, youth and kids. This course is free of cost. Why not give it a try? Don't miss this big yet enormous opportunity to join our spiritual journey. Hare Krishna.